Lost in the endless world of skincare products and routines? You're not alone. What if the secret to radiant, healthy skin is already in your kitchen? Meet the humble tomato. The tomato pulp rub is quietly taking over American skincare, and for good reason. Unlike fleeting trends, this remedy is rooted in science and delivers real results. People are ditching expensive routines for the simple power of fresh tomato, packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and gentle acids. This movement is about mindful, natural skincare, using whole foods that nourish inside and out. The tomato pulp rub demystifies beauty, empowering you to take control with ingredients you trust. We'll explore the science, show you how to do it, share real success stories, and offer tips for safe, effective use. Ready to unlock the secret to glowing skin hiding in plain sight? Let's embrace a simple, natural approach to beauty. The skincare market is overwhelming. Endless products, big promises, and even bigger price tags. Many of us end up with cluttered cabinets and little to show for it. The truth? Expensive doesn't always mean effective. Most products rely on a few key ingredients, often found in simple, natural sources. Overcomplicated routines can actually harm your skin's barrier, leading to irritation and breakouts. Simplicity is smarter. It saves money and supports your skin's natural biology. The tomato pulp rub cuts through the noise with a single, affordable ingredient that works. It's a return to intuitive, nature-powered skincare. By choosing simple, science-backed remedies, you nourish your skin gently and sustainably. Why is the tomato a skincare powerhouse? It's all about lycopene, a potent antioxidant that protects skin from daily damage. Lycopene neutralizes free radicals from sun and pollution, helping prevent premature aging. It even offers some photoprotection, giving your skin an extra shield against UV rays. Tomatoes also contain gentle natural acids, citric and malic acid, that exfoliate, unclog pores, and brighten your complexion. These acids are milder than many chemical exfoliants, making them perfect for regular use. Plus, tomatoes are loaded with vitamin C for collagen, vitamin A for cell turnover, and vitamin K to help fade dark circles. This synergy of antioxidants, acids, and vitamins makes the tomato a complete multitasking skin treatment. With just one ingredient, you get protection, renewal, and a natural glow. No complicated formulas, just the power of nature. That's why the tomato pulp rub stands out. Ready to try the tomato pulp rub? Here's how to do it right. Choose a ripe, organic, deep red tomato for maximum lycopene. Wash it well, then cut it in half. No need to blend. The tomato half is your applicator. Always patch test. Dab a little pulp on your inner arm and wait 24 hours for any reaction. If all's clear, start with a clean, dry face. Gently rub the tomato half over your skin in circles, avoiding the eye area. Massage for 1-2 minutes. You'll feel a refreshing tingle. Let the pulp sit for 5-10 minutes, never longer. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Follow with a gentle moisturizer to lock in hydration. Start with once a week. Increase only if your skin loves it. Enjoy the ritual. Simple, effective, and natural. Listen to your skin and adjust as needed. That's all it takes for a fresh, healthy glow. Real results speak louder than hype. Sarah from Austin struggled with adult acne and dark spots. Nothing worked until she tried the tomato pulp rub. After a month, her breakouts faded and her skin tone evened out. Mark, a construction worker in Chicago, was skeptical, but after a few weeks, his skin looked brighter and smoother. Co-workers even noticed. In a California user group, 85% saw smaller pores and a 20% reduction in sunspots after 8 weeks. These aren't isolated stories. They're proof that simple, natural remedies can deliver. People are finding relief from complicated routines and discovering real, affordable solutions in their kitchens. The tomato pulp rub is empowering everyday Americans to take control of their skin. No luxury brands required, just nature and science working together. Sometimes the best transformations come from the simplest sources. Trust in the wisdom of nature, backed by real results. Science backs up what users are seeing. Studies show lycopene protects skin from UV damage and oxidative stress. Tomato compounds reduce inflammation, helping calm acne and redness. The natural acids in tomatoes gently exfoliate, promoting cell renewal and fading dark spots. Dermatologists agree. For most, topical tomato is safe and effective. Just patch test first. The tomato pulp rub delivers proven benefits: protection, renewal, and a brighter complexion. It's a legitimate science-backed practice, simple, safe, and powerful. Nature and research agree. The tomato is a skincare hero. Even natural remedies need the right approach. Don't overdo it. Using the tomato pulp rub daily can irritate and damage your skin. Stick to once a week, maybe twice if your skin tolerates it. Never leave the pulp on for more than 10 minutes. Longer isn't better. If you feel burning or stinging, rinse off immediately. Sensitive or allergic? Skip the tomato and try a soothing cucumber and aloe mask, or a gentle oatmeal paste. Always patch test before full use. Listen to your skin. Gentle is best. There's a natural solution for everyone, even if tomato isn't your match. Respect your skin's needs and keep it simple. Want to boost your tomato pulp rub? Try these hacks. Add a pinch of turmeric for acne-prone skin, or a drop of honey for extra hydration. Do the rub at night. Your skin repairs as you sleep, and you avoid sun sensitivity. Always moisturize after exfoliating to lock in benefits. Eat more lycopene-rich foods. Cooked tomatoes, watermelon, pink grapefruit for inside-out glow. Store leftover tomato in the fridge, cut side down, and use within 2 days. Small tweaks make this simple ritual even more effective. Elevate your routine and let your skin shine. The tomato pulp rub proves that great skincare can be simple, natural, and affordable. With science and real stories on your side, you can skip the clutter and trust in nature's power. Start today. Pick a ripe tomato, patch test, and treat your skin to a gentle rub. Notice how your skin responds. This is your personal journey. Enhance your results with smart tips and a healthy diet. Share your story and inspire others to try this kitchen revolution. Let's move past the noise and embrace a new era of smart, natural skincare. Your most radiant skin is waiting. Let it glow. Sometimes the best solutions are right in front of us. It's time to start your journey to luminous, healthy skin.